Welcome to the first lesson in this course for teaching you the essentials to pass your EPA Section 608 Technician Certification exam. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning.
This is incredible!
Connect the blue hose from your manifold gauge set to the low side service port of the refrigeration system. This is usually the larger line. Open both the high side and low side valves on your manifold gauge set. Keep an eye on the gauges. Once the recovery is complete, turn off the recovery machine. Before charging a system, you must ensure it's leak-free. It seems we have a leak near the high side service port. See those bubbles forming? That confirms our leak. Once a leak is found, it must be repaired according to EPA regulations.